I say option for Google for and some mode be I friend repair mode. And in order to reach that, and call a settings, now if you go down, now call system. Now call system now well down, a repair mode. So the idea for this repair mode is that in case of say it be a phone, I say also the comma repairer, and I say repairer, and I'm gonna say repairer. And now also the comma repairer until all the two repair mode. Now repair mode never protected or data, your personal data, be to say it be a video files, messages, contacts, and others, and I say very vital information be a what where you know. Now this repair mode no. It will take at least 2 gigabytes of storage. Now do be call this repair mode. Until quasi no about repair mode, enter repair mode, then be self open. But then it will take a few minutes to load. Now call this repair mode. But the question I have here is that what if say we phone the screen the moment I say, how are you gonna enter a repair mode? Course, me check a OEI mode, and I say me call say obo mode they will call factory reset mode, recovery mode, sadina the power and if anything that bottom right corner me who repair mode or enter repair mode on. So I don't know how you can achieve entering this repair mode when your phone screen is not working. So this probably is a good idea, but there's a lot to go. And I said there's more way, and I said there's more to do about this. That's what I think about Google repair mode. And other devices will repair mode, I don't know. So in case of say device I will use, it will repair mode. Just drop it in the comment section. This phone is just a Google Pixel 6. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.